Hello everyone, hope you are all well. This is my channel. You all will access the TCF. Please follow my channel, subscribe my channel, and watch all my videos. Now, in this today's video, let's start the video. So, the first you have to log in into the ultimatix. Today, I am going to share you about that how we will accept the TCS asset form that we have accepted the TCS laptop or whatsoever we will get. Okay, so let's start the video. The first thing you have to log in into your ultimatix. After ultimatix, go into the menu, then inside application you will find finance and infrastructure. You have to click on finance and infrastructure. After this you have a physical infrastructure. Inside physical infrastructure you will find inward outward material movement tracker. As I have already accepted the TCS asset type is TCS laptop, and this is my CPU assist ID is, and I have the status is showing here accepted. If your status is not showing here accepted, then you have to click on this, click here on these three lines. After this associate acceptance, you have to click here, and after this that's I have already accepted, so that's why they are showing me this pop-up. I have to cut this. After this, that what we have received, there are two options: received new asset or received the same asset after repair. So you have received the new receipt, so click on this received new asset. After this, check your address. If your address is not correct, then you can edit it. They will redirect you to global ESS. From there you will change your address also. Okay. After that you have to set your asset type. What you get, you will get, if it's a TCS laptop, TCS desktop, TCS MacBook, whatsoever it is, you will have to click here. Okay. You have to fill your TCS CPU asset ID. CPU, if you have a laptop, then your laptop asset ID and monitor asset ID both are same. You will find on your box in the back box your asset IDs. Okay. If you have a CPU desktop, if you will get desktop, then you have to put here your CPU assist ID, CPU serial number, and monitor asset ID. And after this, receive in a proper manner. If it is in a damaged manner, you will click here in the damaged. Okay. As we got it a proper manner, so received, I confirm this is my asset ID. You have to click here. After this, connectivity type, you will find that there are connectivity. If you are working from home, then you will simply click on option H, TCS VPN user machine, TCS VPN, TCS base LAN. Okay. After this, your mobile number is shown here, your SON number is shown here if you are allocated. If you are not allocated, then you will also put your SON number. And if you have any remarks, then simple you will put your remarks here. Understood? So this is how we will have accept. After this, you can just click on the submit button. You will your asset confirmation that you have accepted the asset, and you will find that asset in a proper manner. If there is any problem or anything that there is a it is not in a proper format, or it is damaged, so you will simply click here damaged and put the what is the damaged part and all that, and after that you will submit this. So after submitting, you will find this that your test assets is successfully accepted, and here the status of your assets: request ID, request asset type, and CPU asset ID, monitor asset ID is status is showing accepted. Understood? So this is all for today video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and get updated for the latest updates. Press the bell icon. Thank you. Take care.